Okay, ready for the next one?
No, is it a video? Why just wait?
Ready for the next one? Okay, here it comes. Ooh. Did you hear that? Ooh,
Lip. 1, 2.
Nice job. Okay. Ooh,
Lamp.
Good job.
3.
That was 3. Yep, you get it.
1, 2, 3.
Teddy, you're doing even better today. Okay, ready for the next?
What?
Fish.
Fish.
Say it again.
Fish.
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 Okay, good job. Here's the next one.
5.
Wait, I didn't finish it. You're close. You're getting there. Ready?
Fox.
G.
Fox.
Listen close.
Frog.
Frog.
2. I think that was 1. No, 2.
2, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 2 more.
No, 1.
But I'm only going to ask you 2 more.
2. Why?
Because then we're going to move on to the next thing.
It's foreign.
You can still have it after 3. You ready for the next one?
Nuts. I got 3. I get to eat our candy.
All right, you ready for your last word?
Milk. 1.
That was it. That was all you had to do. You did a good job.
Can I please eat this?
Okay, sure, yes. So you can just pick whatever color you want and highlight it in that color. So I'll read you the definition. It may be like exact, like it may say like love of mankind, or it may say something like a little different than exactly word for word what you see here. But you can definitely work with this list.
So you gonna pick a word?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna read a definition, and you're gonna see which word goes with the definition. Okay? So that's not one that you have there. All right. Love of humankind.
Love of humankind.
Mm-hmm.
Then you gotta have the anthrop thing.
Mm-hmm.
I would say this one.
Okay. So what is that word there?
Philanthropy.
Okay. So you see what in there?
The anthrop, and that means mankind.
Mm-hmm. But there's something else now that you can use as well.
Yeah. The love thing.
Yeah. Phil is also love. So when you put them together, you get...
Yeah.
Good job. Loud sounding. What'd you get?
Megaphone.
Yep. Okay. The art of transmitting communications. So this is a little trickier.
The art of transmitting communication.
Mm-hmm.
I think it would be communication. I would look at that tele thing. 'Cause I know a telephone and telegrams is a way to communicate.
Okay.
And that's the only thing that really has a tele thing in it.
Okay, so what other part do you see in there?
I see graphy.
Which is?
To write, draw, describe, or record. That graph thing is, but that's also a way to communicate with somebody.
Yeah. Okay, how about good, kind words spoken about a person? and I'm going to give you another part of that. It's usually like at someone's death.
Well, good is an E word. You said that's spoken up by the person?
Mm-hmm.
This is what is log? What is this LOG?
I am glad you asked that. It's an idea, word, speech, discussion, reason, or study. So now, this word, eulogy, means what?
The good, like, good speech.